I did take some medication last night to help me with sleep because I have some anxiety stuff. But that's I can't think of the name of it right now. But I could look it up when I get home.
Okay. So you haven't taken anything while you were at school?
No.
Okay. Now, one thing I would tell you is, for your employment, I want you to be truthful.
Okay.
And so, would you be willing to take a breathalyzer test?
If I needed to, yeah.
Okay.
Did you drink something while you were here at school?
Not while I was at school.
When did you drink something?
Last night.
You blew 2 times the legal limit.
I did.
Yeah.
Here's our drink that you had. What's in this drink?
That's a Diet Coke.
Is there anything liquor in it?
Nope.
Husband's number, if I call him?
I don't want you to call him.
Well, I can't let you leave. If you leave, you're going to get arrested.
Yeah, I'm going to arrest you for DUI.
So I need somebody to come pick you up.
Kim. I know I've been having a hard time. Am I going to get fired?
Honestly, yes. Or you can resign. You're under the influence at school with kids. That cannot happen.
Can it not just be that it's in my blood system and that's why
Unless you drank a shit ton
Well,
at like 8 o'clock this morning, I don't know how you could still be that high.
I did drink a lot last night.
How much did you drink?
I don't. Too much.
What do you drink?
Wine.
So how many bottles of wine did you drink?
We had the walks.
I won't even let you get your vehicle. I'll just arrest you right now for public intox.
Please don't do that.
Then you should probably find a ride.
Can I make that happen myself?
Right now?
Do I have to do it right here?
Yes, we need to know somebody's.
Yeah.
We're not leaving. He's not going to leave here until somebody picks you up.
So either you leave in a vehicle or you leave in my vehicle. One of the two.
Okay, you got 1 minute. Tell me a number we're going to call, or we're trying to let you at least have some dignity and not walk out of here in front of everybody.
No,
So if you'll let us call somebody, we'll wait. They can come, wait outside. Everybody's gone. We'll tell them to be here at 4:30, and you'll be able to leave the building without anybody seeing. But if we don't have time to sit here and keep doing this.
No, I understand. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be. I don't mean to be like that. I'm sorry. I'm trying to. So if we call somebody to come and get me, so then what happens after that?
Then you're going to meet me tomorrow at my office, and we'll discuss your employment.
What time tomorrow?
9 a.m.
So what happens? So what happens then, Mr. Ogle?
Well, my recommendation to the board is going to be to terminate you because you're under the influence, or you can resign.
Okay, I drank on the way to work.
Okay. I'm glad that you told us that. Okay. We'll still discuss tomorrow.
I went to work here. I went to work here.
Yeah. So tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Now let's call somebody and have them pick you up.
No, I can't call my husband. Can I go down there with you? I don't even.
You don't know where it's at?
I think it's in my purse, but
Your purse is where?
Can I please? Can I?
No, there's kids in the hall, and there's teachers all standing here. They don't even know you're in here.
It might be on the desk. It's on the desk. You don't have time to hear all of my stuff.
How long have you been in teaching?
I've worked with kids my whole life.
Is this your first year to actually be a teacher?
No, I taught at Westwood and I taught at Head Start. I'm so sorry. I let everybody down. I'm sorry. Yeah.
What is in that?
My juice.
Gonna try again? That there is wine.
I thought that was from yesterday.
Did you drink it up here yesterday?
Well, I brought it from home. Did you get my phone?
You said your phone was in the purse.
Well, I thought it was on the desk, but it's okay. Okay, what do I need to do to make everything right?
I just wanted honesty. That's all I wanted.
I drank out of that yesterday. I didn't drink out of it today.
I don't believe you.
I drank out of that coming to work yesterday.
Well, where's the cup that you drank out of today? Is it in your classroom too?
I don't think so. Honestly, I thought I was doing a good job today. I don't know. I don't know. Please. I'll call somebody. I have somebody right here in town that will
Nope.
come get me.
Too late.
Please.
What's your date of birth, Kimberly?
Please, just let me. Can we?
Hey,
just work
I'm
this?
not doing it. I'm not doing it. You had your chance to be honest,
Well,
and
I did.
and then you wipe this out.
But please let me call.
I should charge you with tampering with evidence.
Please let me.
No,
let me call.
no, it is over. No more. I'm done.
Officer, please.
No.
I've never done anything
I
bad
don't-
in my whole life.
What is your date of birth?
5/7/1970. Please let me call somebody. Please, I will call somebody right
You're
now.
bringing a body camera.
Huh? I've got a friend right here in Perkins.
No,
Please,
you're under arrest.
please don't do this.
It's too late.
No, please. I can't do this, please. Please, officer, please. Why is it too late all of a sudden?
Because you've lied, done nothing but lie.
Well, that's because I have a problem, obviously. But please, I don't know.
Well, here's the deal. You're under arrest. So,
No,
hey,
officer.
we're not gonna sit here and whine. That's over. Am I gonna find anything illegal in here?
I don't think so.
Famous last words.
No, officer. I'm sorry. Officer Dean, please don't do this. Please.
Where's your wallet at? That has your driver's license in. Is your first name Kimberly? Is that your
Yes.
legal first name? Is your driver's license in Oklahoma?
Yes. Please don't arrest me. Please let me just call a friend to come and get me. I'll call a friend. I'll do whatever I have to do.
All right, here's the deal.
No.
Stand up. You are under arrest. I'm gonna place handcuffs on the front of you. In front of you. Stand up. Stand up.
Can you just...
No, I said I'm done.
No. Can I just walk out without the handcuffs on? No, please just let me walk out with
No, it's policy.
I'm
gonna cuff you up front. If you're gonna keep running your mouth, you're gonna get cuffed behind you.
Wait, can I just talk to you for a second? Please. Please don't...
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I don't want to.
Do you want to go to jail with
No.
multiple charges?
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please don't do this. Please, I just want to talk to you. Can you just talk to me?
Put your hands behind your back.
Please, will you just please talk to me?
I've tried talking to you.
Well, you're not talking to me now.
Talking's over.
Well, what about my stuff?
It'll go with you to the jail.
Hey, officer, please.
Quit. I'm done. I tried to be nice. I'm done.
Okay. Please don't do this to me. don't make
Wait,
go out in front
where
of
you at?
everybody. Please,
I'm trying not to.
Can we just go in here for just a second, please? I'm sorry.
Stop pulling away from me.
I don't mean to pull away. I'm really not a bad
I'm not saying you are.
Please.
Grab that cup.
You want to just go out the front?
Are you
No.
out
Please
I'm in the
don't.
back.
Please don't have me go out the
You
front.
go right this way and then go around back to the cafeteria. Is that where you
just
were?
were, yeah.
I do need her keys to the building. If we know where those are.
There's some keys in here. I'll come back and get that cut.
Is she at
I got to write her tickets too.
full-time teacher? You want to carry something?
Yeah, there's some keys.
You want to go to the
Where are you at? You
I'm right up the
Please don't
cafeteria.
let me see it. I don't want.
Hey, it's over. You had your chance. You've done nothing but lie, and then you wiped the cup out to try to hide your evidence. You didn't care when you came to school drunk or drank at school.
I didn't drink at school. I told you I drank.
Well, you had a cup of wine
That was
in
from
it
the-
on your desk in your classroom.
It was from yesterday.